Exciting stuff, guys. Today we're gonna take a look at Razer's latest mechanical gaming keyboard. It's called the Huntsman. And what's so special about it, you may ask? Well, I'm glad you asked, because it features Razer's latest mechanical switch. They like to call it the Opto-mechanical switch, and as the name hints, it uses optical sensors. Guys, this is exciting stuff. Let's get into it. Hey, how is it going, guys? Robin here on Chips Media, bringing you the best tips and tools for gaming on this channel. You'll find PC components, tech gadgets, and console accessories, and product reviews such as this one. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing in this video. We're gonna unbox Razer's latest mechanical gaming keyboard. It's called the Huntsman, and with that said, let's jump into it. So we got two models in total. We got a cheaper and a more expensive, slightly expensive one, I should say. The cheaper one sits at $149. That is the one that we're gonna take a look at today. Razer also sells a slightly pricier one, which is called Huntsman Elite. Now both these models share the same core specs, same switch and build material, but there are a few differences between these two you guys should know about. The most obvious one is the palm rest and the underglow, as well as the dedicated media buttons that comes with the Elite. Anyway, before we start with the unboxing, as I said, we're looking at an all new mechanical switch. Actually a slightly lighter actuation, only takes 45 grams to activate the switch here. We get a lifespan of 100 million keystrokes, which is kind of ridiculous if we think about it. We got chroma backlighting with 16.8 million customizable color options. This also works with Synapse 3.0 and yeah, obviously Philips Hue. If you want to get that immersive lighting experience as well, that's gonna be possible with this keyboard. We got fully programmable keys with on-the-fly macro recording. We also got 10 key rollover with anti-ghosting, which should be enough for most people out there. We got gaming mode option. This is standard among gaming keyboards today. We got a braided fiber cable. We got 1000 Hz ultra pulling rate, which translates into 1 millisecond, which is standard as well. And we got finally aluminum matte top plate, which you typically find in more expensive boards. Now with that said, the all new switch, of course, we're gonna do the unboxing as I talk about this. The all new switch, as Razer like to call it, Opto-mechanical. This is exciting stuff because it uses a totally different technique than the traditional mechanical one. I'm gonna talk about a lot more about this in the full review, guys, but yeah, let's just focus on the unboxing part. So open the box. What do we got? We got a few things going on here at the top. Congratulations and welcome to the next level of gaming domination. Usually we find a few stickers in here as well. Let's see if I'm right or if I'm wrong. For gamers, by gamers. That slick logo as well as the Razer chroma. Gotta save that for later. For that special moment, right? There we go. Alright, so let's just focus on the cool stuff now. We got the braided cable here. What else do we got? Let's open this one here. What do we got here? There's nothing here. Okay. So let's just... Right, there's really not that much going on here. Just the box and the keyboard. Nothing special. Alright, here we go. Now the metal plate makes it very sturdy. And but still it's not very heavy. Definitely not heavy. So standard braided cable, nothing special. On the back we got legs, which can be extended into levels, so to speak. We got the level 1, which is gonna leave you with that angle, and you got level 2 with a slightly more tilted angle. I prefer to use the more slightly one, but that is just me. Now we obviously gotta try this out, right? Get rid of this. Let's get rid of that and see if I can... Alright, cool, fancy. Very clicky buttons, I gotta say. Super clicky, guys. That is not a joke. Wow. But they're very satisfying, I gotta say. And it doesn't take much force either, more specifically 45 gram for the actuation. Guys, time to give this keyboard run of a test. I'm gonna be back in a few days time with a comprehensive review. Now I want to know in the comments down below, guys, have you actually had the chance to try these all new switches out? Gotta say, my first impression is very good. Feels solid, obviously super clicky, and very light as well. The aluminum sort of plate makes it look very stylish and obviously easy to hold clean as well. But yeah guys, just gotta cut it for this video. Obviously we gotta have a look at the switch before we end this video. Let's see. So this is what it looks like. You can't really see the optical sensor, but you get a sense what it's all about. Now that's gotta cut it for this video. Obviously I want to know, guys, have you tried this keyboard out? What is your thoughts? How much would you pay for a keyboard for this type of feature? We are lacking media buttons. You have to pay another, what's that, $40 for the dedicated media buttons, which is quite a lot in my opinion. For $150. Shouldn't that be included? I don't know, guys, let me know in the comments. Now expect a full comprehensive review within the next couple of days, guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, have an awesome day. Alright, bye.